Hello everyone, it's Andrew with ShelfAware, and in this tutorial video we are going to run through a brief overview of the consumer side of the ShelfAware platform. So I'm logged in right now as Jimmy on my demo consumer, and on the consumer side there's going to be typically three windows that you'll have. That's customer item, the order screen, and the order item screen. Each one of these screens is separated into two sections. You have this top search criteria ribbon, and then you have this bottom search grid. So the criteria, what information you decide to put in here, will determine what data is retrieved in the search grid. Some of the screens can be pretty overwhelming with a lot of data if you do not put in some sort of criteria to search off of. But this first screen's not too bad. It's a summary. Customer item is a summary of every item you have on the ShelfAware platform. And if you had multiple suppliers on the platform, you could select certain suppliers or just select all. In this demo case, we just have the one demo supplier. So I'll go ahead and hit search. It's going to return every item that's on the platform. We currently have 10 items set up. And this gives a real high-level summary view of the items on the platform and their current status as an item. So you don't get to see a detailed view of each item's current on-hand packages, but you do get to see high-level information like item number, description, package quantity, shelf quantity, current on-hand, unit price, an on-hand value for that item, and then your eye will quickly catch this red box here. This is highlighting that an item is currently out of stock for ShelfAware. So this is the customer item screen kind of summary. You notice at the bottom of each of these screens you'll have sums and totals for numerical columns. So right now on the ShelfAware platform, this demo consumer has $124,272 worth of inventory sitting on their shelf. And the last thing I'll show you on the customer item screen is that if you highlight a particular item, if your supplier has integrated ShelfAware into their ERP, then you will be able to check supplier inventory. This will give you a on-hand status real-time inventory check for what's sitting on your supplier's shelf and potentially what's in their pipeline, like what they might have on order with the factory if they're not the manufacturer. So you just click this button down here. For the demo, I don't have it set up, so it's just going to tell me details not available. And the next screen we'll look at is the order screen. So the order screen is, again, another summary screen showing you exactly how many orders and what you have in order with your current suppliers. If you've been on the platform for a while, this screen could be a bit overwhelming because it will show you every delivered order. So if you've had 400 orders delivered, it can get pretty overwhelming. In the demo here, I only have 3, so it's no big deal for me to just hit search. Otherwise, we could limit it by ship date, or probably most likely you'll limit it by status of the order. There's 3 different statuses. Again, delivered will show you every historical order, which can be a lot. So we'll probably typically search off of confirmed and open. Open is a brand new order at your supplier's location. It has not been packaged and shipped yet, so it could get modified before it leaves their door. A confirmed order is an order that's been all packaged up and it's headed your direction, and you can be real confident that what's on that order, confirmed order, is going to be delivered. But either way, delivered or confirmed, you'll always be able to see tracking information. As soon as the open order is shipped, you'll get tracking information. If you click the tracking number, ShelfAware will take you out to the carrier's website and give you detailed tracking information. Kind of a dummy number, so I got nothing on this one. So that's the order screen. Again, I'd probably limit your results on the order screen by open or confirmed, and you can see what's headed your direction. Now the order item screen is the most overwhelming screen. It has a detailed view of every order item, historic, on hand, and pending, that's in the ShelfAware system. I would highly recommend that you don't just hit search on this one because it'll retrieve an insane amount of records for folks that have been on the platform for just a couple months. So we're probably going to limit it by maybe what's on hand or even what's open, that's items that are headed in. If you want to look historical view, it's pretty handy to look at what's been checked out of the system. So we'll go ahead and just say checked out, and we'll limit it to like what's been checked out this week. So you just click the date stamp button here, look at the last week and hit search. And in the last week, demo consumer has consumed 18 different items. So here's a detailed view. It's what you'll get on the search grid. And it's going to show you the RFID tag number that's associated with each item, the item number, item description, package quantity, package value, and the current status. Now, we searched based off of checked out, so it's going to show us all items checked out for this date range. So there you go. We'll go ahead and clear the search grid. I'll show you another pretty handy order item. We can just look at what's on hand. So currently I have 30 packages on hand. And so it's not too much information, but it's still quite a bit. But 30 packages on hand, and it's showing you on a per package basis. So we got 2 packages of rags here, and you can get into exactly what's sitting on your inventory right then. Well, that wraps up the overview for the ShelfAware consumer side of the platform. Look for other videos that go into additional details of each of these screens that we went through today. And until next time, this is Andrew with ShelfAware.